All right, in this next example, we're going to see how a sunk cost or a non-recoverable cost affects our decision making. So here, Anna has purchased a non-refundable movie ticket to see a movie tonight for $10. And seeing the movie tonight with her friends is worth $20 in happiness to her. Unfortunately, when she goes to her car, it doesn't start. She can get a ride to the movies and back for $15, and she can still make the movie on time. And the question here is, should she go to the movies? I need to take a minute and think about what the answer to this question is. Do you know the answer? When I ask this in person, I would say 80% of the class gets it wrong. The answer here is that Anna should go to the movies. And that's because the benefit of going to the movies here exceeds the cost, excluding the sunk cost. To see why it makes sense, because some of you are probably like, I'm out. This doesn't make any sense. To see why this makes sense, let's just compare the options. So what happens if Anna goes to the movies? Well, she gets $20 in happiness, and she pays $10 for the ticket and $15 for the ride. So at the end of the day, she has negative $5 in happiness. Not good, right? Anna is bummed that her car did not start. But what happens if she doesn't go to the movies? Well, she doesn't have to pay $15 for the ride to the movies, but she also doesn't get the $20 in happiness. She only is out $10, but being out $10 worse than being out $5, right? So in this situation, the answer is that she should go to the movies. And the lesson is that sunk costs are not going to affect your decision making because this non-recoverable ticket cost occurs in every state of the world. No matter what you do, you pay that $10. So it's not going to be influencing your margin of decision. What we want to think about is at the point of the decision, going forward, what additional costs and additional benefits will you incur? And in this problem, Anna incurs an additional cost of $15, but an additional cost of $20. And because 20 is bigger than 15, the answer is that she should go to the movies. So we can ignore our sunk costs in decision making. But of course, they affect the outcome. The fact that Anna's car broke down sucks. And at the end of the day, she's going to be unhappy. But she'll be less unhappy if she still gets to see the movie with her friends.